How to log in to Kling AI. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are on Kling AI and want to sign into your existing account, first of all, launch open the Kling AI application on your device. Now you'll end up in the homepage of Kling AI. Go to the bottom right corner and tap on My Space. You'll then see this sign in interface where you'll need to go ahead and tap on either continue with Google or use email option. The option varies on how you've previously created your account. If you've created an account with Google option, then you'll need to click continue with Google and follow the prompts. If you've used email, use this use email button and follow through the instructions. I've used email option, so let me grab this second option. On the next page, it'll ask you to enter your email address associated with your account. Just go ahead and type in your correct email. On the next field, enter your password for your account. While typing in your password, make sure that you're typing in the correct password. If you're having trouble remembering your password, then you can tap on this forgot password link at the bottom and follow through the instructions. Finally, after filling in the details, click sign in, and then you'll be logged in to your Kling AI account. And that's it. Just make sure you are using the same login method you used when creating your account and you'll be good to go. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.